The power of light. It's more than just a switch, it's a gateway to transforming your living space into a sanctuary. When you flip that switch, you're not just illuminating a room, you're setting the stage for countless moments and memories. Light is so important in our homes. It shapes our daily experiences and influences our moods. The right lighting can make a world of difference, turning a mundane space into something extraordinary. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling. The warmth of a well-lit room can evoke a sense of comfort and security, while harsh lighting can make a space feel cold and uninviting. The right lighting can make a space feel welcoming and cozy. Imagine coming home after a long day to a living room bathed in soft, warm light. It instantly makes you feel at ease, ready to unwind and relax. It can highlight your favorite things or set the mood for a special occasion. Whether it's accentuating a piece of art or creating a romantic ambiance for a dinner, lighting plays a crucial role. Think about how you use different rooms. Each space in your home has its own unique lighting needs. The kitchen, for instance, requires bright, focused light to ensure you can see clearly while cooking and preparing meals. In the kitchen, you need bright light for cooking and prepping food. Proper lighting here ensures safety and efficiency, making your culinary tasks easier and more enjoyable. But in the living room, you might want something softer and more relaxing. This is a space for unwinding, for family time, and for creating a cozy atmosphere where everyone feels comfortable. Lighting lets you create the perfect atmosphere for every part of your home. From adjustable lighting that adapts to your needs, to layered lighting that adds depth and dimension, the possibilities are endless. It's time to see lighting as a design element. It's not just functional, it's an integral part of your home's aesthetic. The right fixtures can enhance your decor and reflect your personal style. It's just as important as paint colors and furniture. When planning your interior design, consider how lighting interacts with other elements in the room. It can tie everything together, creating a cohesive and harmonious look. With a little planning, you can use light to transform your house into a true home. Thoughtful lighting design can elevate your living space, making it more functional, beautiful, and inviting. So next time you flip that switch, remember, it's more than just a switch. Beyond the basics, rethinking light fixtures. Lighting is an essential element in any home, but it's often overlooked. We tend to stick to the basics: table lamps, ceiling lights, and maybe a stylish chandelier. These are great starting points, but there's so much more to explore. We all know the basics: table lamps, ceiling lights, and maybe a stylish chandelier. These fixtures serve their purpose, providing necessary illumination and sometimes adding a touch of style. However, they are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to lighting options. These are great starting points. But why stop there? Lighting can transform a space, creating ambiance, highlighting architectural features, and even influencing our mood. It's time to think beyond the basics and explore the vast world of lighting fixtures available to us. But there's a whole world of lighting fixtures out there. From pendant lights to wall sconces, floor lamps to under-cabinet lighting, the options are endless. Each type of fixture serves a unique purpose and can dramatically change the look and feel of a room. Think about pendant lights over your kitchen island. They add a touch of style and provide focused light for cooking. Pendant lights come in various designs, from sleek and modern to rustic and vintage, allowing you to choose one that complements your kitchen's decor. They add a touch of style and provide focused light for cooking. Imagine preparing a meal under the warm glow of a beautifully designed pendant light. It not only enhances the functionality of your kitchen but also adds a layer of sophistication. Or how about recessed lighting in the living room? Recessed lighting is perfect for creating a clean, uncluttered look. It provides even illumination without the need for bulky fixtures, making it ideal for modern and minimalist interiors. It creates a sleek and modern look. Recessed lights can be strategically placed to highlight artwork, architectural details, or simply to provide general lighting. They are versatile and can be used in any room of the house. Don't be afraid to get creative with your fixtures. Mixing and matching different types of lighting can add depth and interest to your space. Consider combining floor lamps with table lamps, or using a statement chandelier alongside more subtle wall sconces. Mix and match different styles and sizes to add personality to your space. Lighting is not just about functionality, it's also about expressing your personal style. Whether you prefer a cohesive look or an eclectic mix, the right lighting can bring your vision to life. Remember, lighting is like jewelry for your home. Just as a statement necklace can elevate an outfit, a stunning light fixture can transform a room. It's an opportunity to showcase your taste and make a lasting impression. It should be both beautiful and functional. The best lighting solutions combine aesthetics with practicality, ensuring that your home is well lit and stylish. So take the time to explore different options and find the perfect fixtures for your space. Smart lighting, illuminating your life with technology. Imagine a world where your lights adapt to your lifestyle, creating the perfect ambiance for every moment. Technology has made its way into our lighting, and it's a game changer. No longer are we confined to the limitations of traditional lighting systems. Smart bulbs and systems give you incredible control over your lights. With just a few taps on your smartphone or a simple voice command, you can transform your living space. You can turn lights on and off, dim them, and even change colors, all from your phone or a smart speaker. This level of customization allows you to set the perfect mood for any occasion, whether it's a cozy movie night or a lively dinner party. Imagine coming home to a brightly lit house without ever touching a switch. Smart lighting systems can be programmed to turn on as you approach, welcoming you with a warm glow, or setting your lights to gradually brighten in the morning like a sunrise. This gentle wake-up call can make your mornings more pleasant and help you start the day on the right foot. Smart lighting makes life more convenient and adds a touch of magic to your day. It can even sync with your favorite music or movies, creating an immersive experience that enhances your entertainment. Plus, smart lighting can save you energy. By using energy-efficient LED bulbs and scheduling lights to turn off when not needed, you can reduce your electricity consumption and lower your utility bills. You can schedule lights to turn off automatically when you're away, ensuring you never accidentally leave the lights on again. This not only saves energy but also provides peace of mind, knowing your home is running efficiently even when you're not there. With smart lighting, the possibilities are endless. You can create custom lighting scenes for different activities like reading, working, or relaxing. Each scene can be tailored to provide the optimal lighting for that specific task, enhancing your comfort and productivity. Embrace the future of lighting and see how smart technology can illuminate your life in ways you never imagined. From convenience and energy savings to creating the perfect atmosphere, smart lighting is truly a bright idea. Dimmer switches, mastering the mood. Dimmer switches have been around for a while, but they're still a must-have. They let you adjust the brightness of your lights, instantly changing the ambiance of a room. A dimmer switch is perfect for creating a romantic dinner setting, or use it to lower the lights for a movie night with the family. Dimmer switches give you ultimate control over the mood and feel of your space. And here's a bonus. Dimmer switches can save you money on your energy bill. By dimming your lights, you're using less electricity, which is good for your wallet and the environment. Scene control takes smart lighting to the next level. It lets you program different lighting settings for various activities and times of day. Want bright light for cooking dinner? Just activate your cooking scene. Ready to relax in the evening? Switch to your relaxed scene with dimmed lights and a cozy glow. Scene control is incredibly convenient. It eliminates the need to adjust multiple lights individually. With a single tap on your phone or a voice command, you can transform your space to perfectly suit your needs. Motion sensor lighting, convenience and efficiency combined. Imagine lights magically turning on as you enter a room. That's the beauty of motion sensor lighting. It's incredibly convenient, especially in areas like hallways, closets, and bathrooms. Motion sensor lights are also energy savers. They ensure that lights are only on when needed, preventing wasted energy and saving you money. No more leaving the lights on accidentally. Motion sensor lighting is perfect for families with young children. Kids often forget to turn off lights, but with motion sensors, you can be sure that lights are always used efficiently. Color temperature. Finding the perfect hue. Did you know that light has different colors? We're not talking about colored light bulbs, but the actual temperature of the light. Light bulbs are labeled with a Kelvin rating, which indicates their color temperature. Warm white light, around 2700 Kelvin, is cozy and inviting, perfect for bedrooms and living rooms. Cool white light, around 4000 Kelvin, is more energizing and ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Choosing the right color temperature can dramatically affect the look and feel of your space. Experiment with different bulbs to find the perfect hue for each room. Sustainable illumination, lighting the way to a greener future. Lighting technology has come a long way, and there are now many sustainable options available. LED lights use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer. Solar-powered lights are another eco-friendly choice, especially for outdoor lighting. They harness the power of the sun to illuminate your walkways, gardens, and patios. By choosing sustainable lighting solutions, you can reduce your carbon footprint and save money on your energy bills. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Bright ideas. Bringing advanced lighting home. Lighting is more than just a necessity, it's an opportunity to transform your home. By embracing advanced lighting systems, you can create a space that is both beautiful and functional. From smart lighting and dimmer switches to scene control and motion sensors, there are countless ways to enhance your home with light. Explore these options, experiment with different technologies, and let your creativity shine. Remember, the perfect lighting can elevate your mood, highlight your style, and make your house a true reflection of you. So go ahead, light up your life and enjoy the transformative power of illumination.